And she was kinda fragile, and she had a lot to grapple with, but basically she kept it all inside. Childlike and never listened, with the world bent to death of. I could not imagine if I tried. Never thought that I would hear them say, twist around and threw it all away. She was kind of magical, her life touched you casually, flooding through a moment of relief. Dear God, it's so tragic, and I'll never have the chance to feel the closure that I ultimately need. No, I never dreamed would come a time twist to going through it all behind. Lord, I pray she's found some peace and her soul somewhere at ease. Yeah, I'm feeling kinda fragile, and I've got a lot to handle, but I guess this is my way of saying goodbye.